This video teaches the leads footwork for 5 fundamental turns in Cuban casino. You don't need a partner and you can practice right in your living room. So let's move the couch. So I'm the lady, presently, all right? And here's 3 things that we have them do. We have them walk to this X, and then walk to our right and pivot. Then we have them walk to the X, pivot over their left shoulder, and then continue walking to our right and pivot. Then we have them walk to the X, turning over their right shoulder, continue walking to our right and pivot. So those 3 turns are just a walking turn, enchufla, and vacila. And for all that, we only have to do one thing. One thing. So let's do our one thing really well. My weight's on my right foot. My left foot is pointed towards her, and I can have a bend in the knee because there's no weight on it. My right foot is pointed forward. I can look over my left shoulder at her, but my chest is forward. Same thing. She's over here just for reference. She's the mirror image of me. So her chest, her energy's forward, but she can be looking at me over her right shoulder. So when I initiate any of the turns, I'm going from the starting position. And when she's doing all that stuff, all I'm doing is walking behind her on this poorly constructed arc and then forward like that. And she ends up on my right-hand side. So the footwork that we do, I don't back rock like this. I just bring my left foot towards the camera like this, cross over with my right, walk forward with my left, and then pivot to face forward. So one more time, the first 3 is 1, 2, 3, pivot. From here, I do the last half of a forward and back step. So I bring my right foot a little bit back, push forward with the left, push forward with the right. And now she's over here on my right-hand side. So all together, our footwork for enchufla, vacila, and a walking turn, anything where I take her from my left to in front of me on that X over to my right, is as follows. 1, 2, 3, pivot. 5, 6, 7. One more time. From the same starting position, left, pivot. Right, left, right. And now she's on my right-hand side. From here, I'm just going to reverse the positions that I walk her through. I'm going to now take her from my right to in front of me on that X, over here to my left, which is where I'm standing right now, but I'm going to be moving, so the space will be free for her. So my footwork for dile is going to be the first part of a forward and back. So forward with the left a little bit, push back with the right, and then back again with the left. The last half, I'm going to do a back cross step over to my right, left, right, and then pivot to get in that same starting position. The starting position for the turns is going to be the ending position of dile. So let's do dile one more time. She's over here on my right, my weight's on my right. I'm going to go forward a little bit with the left, back with the right, back with the left, right, pivot. Dile one more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, pivot. All right, so the only thing left is the footwork for enchufa doble. So I'm in the same starting position. I'm going to start off the footwork for the turns just like normal. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to catch her shoulder, and I'm going to send her back to where she was, and I'm going to go back to where I was. 5, 6, 7, pivot. I just walk and pivot. So one more time. 1, 2, 3, pivot. Walk back to where I was. 5, 6, 7, pivot. The turn resolves with the footwork for the turns that we've been doing. So enchufa doble altogether is going to be 1, 2, 3, pivot. 5, 6, 7, pivot, then the footwork like normal. 1, 2, 3, pivot to face forward. 5, 6, 7, she's on my right. Doble one more time. Left, pivot. Right, pivot. Left, smaller pivot. Right, left. So that's it. You got the leads footwork for 5 basic turns. You got 4 that start with the follow on your left and bring her over to your right. Walking turn, enchufa doble, vacila. Then you've got one move that takes her from your right back over to your left, dile. So the first part of leading is knowing what the hell you're doing, which is what this video covered. The second part is having a clear understanding of what you're asking the follow to do, and that is covered in a sister video that we made to this one that goes over the follow footwork for these same 5 turns. And the leads definitely want to check that video out. It'll help them lead these turns way better. And the third part of leading is knowing how to use your connection to give her the right signals to get her to do what you're asking her to do. And that's covered in the third video that we did, which is the partnering version of these same 5 turns. And it goes over putting the lead footwork and the follow footwork together and how the lead can lead and how the follow can follow. So with those 3 videos and a little bit of practice, you should be good by the time the weekend comes.